Every second, we're moving at a speed we can't even imagine. The Earth is spinning at 1,670 kilometers per hour. But imagine, what if it suddenly stopped? What would happen? Day and night, the winds and oceans, even the shape of the Earth itself, everything is influenced by Earth's rotation. If that rotation stopped, it would be a cosmic catastrophe in every sense. The moment Earth stops spinning, everything not anchored down would keep moving at incredible speed. Cars, people, oceans. It would be like slamming the brakes in a car going 160 kilometers per hour, but without brakes. The oceans would keep moving at high velocity, creating giant waves, tsunamis, that would flood entire coastal cities. Without rotation, one half of the planet would be stuck in eternal sunlight, the other trapped in endless darkness. The sunlit side would burn while the dark side would freeze. Earth's magnetic field is generated by its rotation. If the rotation stops, that field vanishes, and deadly solar radiation would hit us with no protection. Without centrifugal force, the oceans would shift toward the poles, the equator would dry up, new continents could emerge, and old oceans could vanish. Could we survive? Yes, but only underground, or in artificial colonies. Technology might help, but not for everyone. Many life forms couldn't handle this extreme shift. Fortunately, Earth's rotation is stable, for now. But here's the question, could you survive on a planet like that? And if it really happened, what's the first thing you'd do? If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And get ready, because in the next video, you'll be asking, what would happen if the sun disappeared for just one day?